Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself working with a folder full of Excel files and wondered how you could quickly pull all those sheets into Power BI Desktop without opening them one by one, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy technique, how to import files from a folder straight into Power BI Desktop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to speed up your data importing workflow, save loads of time, and set yourself up for deeper data analysis in Power BI. Let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI Desktop and look towards the very top ribbon. You'll see an option called Get Data. Click on that. This is your starting point whenever you want to bring in new data. Think of it like opening the front door to your Power BI project. Once you click Get Data, a drop-down menu will appear. There are quite a few choices here. Power BI lets you import data not just from Excel, but also from databases, online sources, even simple text files. For this example, we're focusing on Excel. So go ahead and select Excel from that drop-down. This tells Power BI exactly what kind of file you'll be working with, which is key for making sure your data is imported correctly. Now a file browser window will open up, prompting you to find the file you want to use. Here, where things can get a little overwhelming if you're working with a lot of files or if your folders aren't super organized. Take a moment to navigate to the correct folder on your computer. If you're importing just a single Excel file for now, locate it and click Open. If your project involves multiple Excel files all stored in the same folder, you'd actually want to use the folder option in the Get Data menu. But for the sake of simplicity, let's stick to one file just to get familiar with the process. When you select your Excel file and hit Open, Power BI does a quick scan and shows you a navigator window. This lists out all the sheets and named ranges within that file. It's helpful because sometimes Excel files can be packed with multiple sheets. Think of each sheet as a chapter of a book, and you get to cherry pick which chapters are most relevant for your dashboard or report. At this point, check the boxes next to the sheets or tables you want to bring in. If you're not sure which one to pick, you can actually preview the data on the right-hand side before making your final decision. Don't worry if you make the wrong choice, you can always go back and tweak things later. Once you've made your selections, hit Load. Now Power BI pulls all that information into your workspace. Depending on the size of your Excel file, this might take a few moments, so just be patient. When it's done, you'll see your data tables listed in the Fields pane, ready for you to analyze, visualize, and turn into powerful insights. And that's it, you've just imported Excel data into Power BI Desktop, setting a solid foundation for your reports. If you need to bring in more files or want to try importing from a whole folder, just repeat the process or try the folder option in the Get Data menu. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions or tips about importing data in Power BI, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tutorials and get even better at Power BI. See you in the next video.